how to create and open Uber Eats account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and open Uber Eats account. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded the Uber Eats application. If you haven't, then you can simply download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it is downloaded on your device, open the app. It will land you on this home page. In this page, you can see 4 different ways to create an Uber Eats account. You can continue with your Apple ID, your phone number, your Google account, and also your email. You can choose any one specific account. So let me choose my Google account. To do that, tap on Continue with Google and then tap on Continue. Select your specific Google account. Now it will land you on this interface. So right here it says Uber Eats is not available in your country or region. So your account is not being able to create. In this case, what you want to do is wait for Uber Eats to make this feature available in your country. Till then, you can also try using your VPN. Once this feature is available in your country, your account will be created successfully. So this is how you can create your Uber Eats account. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.